what are the benefits that you have seen in carriers when using open data?
It is about efficiency, right? It is about removing all the effort underwriters need to do to pull data from 10, 15, 20 data sources, right? So if you go back 3-4 years ago, underwriters would go to 5 different websites to pull data to analyze the risk. But alongside that is underwriter experiences. Underwriters want to work in an environment where their underwriting experience is best, right? So they don't want to work for an insurer where they have to be doing all these manual pulling of data day in, day out. So one thing we're saying is that the onboarding period for new underwriters gets massively shortened, right? Because you're actually helping the underwriter understand what's the appetite of the insurance company he or she works for. And then you get into probably the even more interesting one, which is about risk selection, right? So it creates a very strong competitive advantage to use external data, right? So if you have more data about a given risk, you can be much more granular in your risk selection. So 2 risks that for an insurer that doesn't use that external data might look very similar. Another insurer that augments the risk with external data will find differences and correlation of those small differences with loss behavior. So then your risk appetite and risk selection becomes superior. So over the midterm, also the loss ratio improves. We also see growth acceleration, and that's driven by 2 things. One is by pulling all that external data automatically. As I said, you reduce the underwriting effort to quote a given risk. So underwriters can quote more risks per day. So GWP by FTE increases, and which accelerates growth. But there's a compounded effect that then, given that data is pulled automatically, the quote turnaround time also reduces.
Correct.
Right? So underwriters are being able to get back to brokers with a quote within a day.